Greetings and salutations, I am Leo from CAD Insight and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be welcoming you to the Hub. This is the start of a new series, Welcome to the Hub, and I'm going to be guiding you through the Autodesk Ambassador Hub, how it works, what the functions are, and how to really get the most out of the community. Now just a side note, this is for 18-year-olds and over, so you just need to be 18 to join. But that's kind of really it on the main point. There are a couple of other agreements we need to go through, but otherwise it's really quite simple. So if you're not an English speaker, now's the point to kind of change your language. And so down here you've got Spanish. I can just click, I can show you these. Spanish, Portuguese, German, and English. So now you can just change it through. Thank you to the translation team for translating them. And here is where you sign up. If you've got an email address, you're best to use your school one. Just for the best experience, it helps placement. But if you don't have one, then just go for whatever you've got available. And then it's going to ask for a name. I'm Leo Warren. And then it's going to ask for a password. Pick a suitable password following the criteria of 8 characters and contain at least 2 of uppercase, lowercase numbers or symbols. So we do that, and then we just click create new account. And it's going to load, and that's going to bring you up to some conditions. It's important you read these because it relates to how you engage with Autodesk, which is who's actually doing this, and then you've got Influitive, who are the hosts, and so you just want to read through these. I've read through them because I already have an account, but just make sure you read the community rules and so everyone's up to speed, and just make sure you're all in good standing. So then you just want to click tick once you've read through these, and you're going to click join. Welcome to the Autodesk Ambassador Hub, Leo, or whatever your name is. The Autodesk Ambassador Hub is a global community gaming platform for our most engaged and talented students, educators, teachers, and Autodesk fans. We want to spread the word about Autodesk, education, and industry trends, and would like to help you do it. By completing challenges within the hub, you can earn points and badges to level up, join group discussions, understand industry trends, and showcase your talents. And just click Get Started. And that is it. Welcome to the hub. It's really that simple to get into the hub. There is nothing else to it. You just need to go through it, and then you come really onto the main page. And so I'll give you a little guided tour before we get into the challenges. So you've got home, which is just this page. This gives you kind of the top of the forums. You've got your daily bonus, so you can claim that. It gives you 2 free points. And you've got your little bell. You've got your profile. So we can actually start like building it out. So you see here, you've got star. Oh, we've got a first badge. Welcome to the hub. So it's just green badges. Come more into it. And then you see edit here. And you can start building up your profile. You put in your university, school, company. This helps get everyone engaged because it's nice to know where everyone else is from. Got your email address, your password, notifications, because there is an app for this. And it's really quite good. So it means you can do your challenges on the go. And then you've got a little leaderboard. Obviously, we are the newest. So obviously, we're not going to be too high up. But as you engage more, you get more points, you get more badges, your profile will start to build up very, very quickly. And so you can see you've got some topics. And then finally, there's one person I would like you to meet. And that is the administrator, Bjorn. He just comes up as an administrator, but there's Bjorn. Obviously, there'll be a challenge coming up in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this little intro and welcome to the hub. And I'll see you in the next part of this series. Thank you for listening and goodbye.